User can customize accounts module by providing certain additional settings. The settings can be loaded from defaults menu. The settings are usually provided at the time of installation of Alberto system. Some of the settings which are provided at the time of installation can be changed on any time. All the settings here in the left pane except this currency and financial year period can be changed on any time, and all the settings which are listed in the right pane like account selection and group head selection cannot be changed after doing certain transactions. Let's see each of the fields in the settings interface. First one is number of previous days. Here we mention number of days the transactions need to be listed in all masters of accounts module. All entries listing in the masters will be based on the number of previous days entered and the process date. The process date is shown in the top of the interface. If you provide a previous day as 1 here, then all the transactions which are done on this particular day will be listed in all accounts masters. This is management settings checkbox. This option is to view some reports like reservation profit TO wise, reservation profit result wise and management reports. Only on selecting this management settings option, user will be able to see those reports under the reports node. This is invoice due period entering field. The due period entered here will be common for all customers, and the due period entered here will be listing in all invoices. The due period provided here plus the invoice date will be due date for all invoices. And if the customer is having a particular due period provided in customer master, then that due period will be considered in invoices. Here we provide due period as a common. Here we mention the due period days here. This is number of previous days reservation pro forma entering field. Here we provide a number of days the transactions need to be listed in the reservation pro forma master. This period for financial year shows the current period we have provided in the financial year interface. User cannot edit the details here. This is a log day checkbox. Actually this log day is provided to block user from doing transactions before a particular date. Now the log day selected here is 13/5/2010. So user is blocked from doing transactions before this date. When user logins before this day, then user can only view the details before this day. User cannot do any transactions before this log day. And this is settlement in advanced receipt checkbox. With this checkbox enabled, user can do settlement in the advanced receipt interface. And this is separate pro forma invoice checkbox. With this checkbox enabled, it is possible to generate a separate pro forma invoice against customers. And this is separate product or service invoice checkbox. With this checkbox enabled, user can do separate product or service invoice against customers. And this is average rate checkbox. And with this option enabled, user can provide the average rate of currencies in exchange rate interface. If this option is enabled, then the average rate text box of exchange rate interface will become enabled and user can enter the average rate of currencies there. And this is passenger information details checkbox. This option enables user to add passenger information details into system. With this option enabled, user can view the passenger information interface in service invoice and receipts interface. Only on enabling this option, user can provide passenger information details in service invoice interface, and those passenger information details can be viewed in receipts interface. Next is block invoice without pro forma invoice option. This option is to block user from doing a direct reservation invoice. If this option is checked, then user can do a reservation invoice from a pro forma invoice only. This is block reservation bill without pro forma reservation bill option. This option is to block user from doing a direct reservation bill. When this option is enabled, the system blocks user from doing a direct reservation bill. User can do a reservation bill by selecting a pro forma reservation bill only. Next is check printing details field. If the check printing facility is to be enabled in payments interface, then check this enable check printing in payment option. The different banks are having different check formats. Now system is having a template with 5 predefined check formats. User can select a template from here. Now system is having only one format, and this template one is a folder inside our DL set, and it has 5 predefined check formats. This currency will show the company currency we have opted in the financial year interface. User cannot modify the currency here. This is invoice template selection format. User needs to select a template from here. This option is for customization of reservation invoice reports. All the templates listed here are folders inside the DL set, and these all templates are having predefined report formats. Selected template from here, and the next is currencies in reports. Here user can select any 2 currencies. This currency, selected currency will be listing in the currency combo of the outstanding invoice and outstanding bills report. Earlier it was possible to generate outstanding invoice and outstanding bills in company currency only. By including these currencies in report, user is able to generate outstanding invoice and outstanding bills according to these currencies selected also. In the right pane we mention the account head and group head in the corresponding fields. This is usually done at the time of installation. User cannot modify these account heads and group heads after doing certain transactions. This combo will be enabled at the time of installation, and it will be enabled before doing any transactions. Now here it appears to be disabled because some transactions are already done in system against the account heads and group heads. And the first one is fixed asset group head. This will list all group under the asset group head. User needs to select a fixed asset group head here. All the accounts which are under this fixed asset group head will be reflecting under all asset related transactions. This is a cash group head selection combo. User needs to select a cash group head from here. All accounts which are under this cash group head will be listing in all cash related transactions. This is bank group head combo. Select a bank group head from this combo. All accounts which are under this group head selected will be listing in all bank related transactions. And this is account head of trade debtor. Trade debtor account can be selected from this combo, and this is a fixed account head. The account head selected here will be reflected in customer entries. User needs to select a sundry trade debtor from this combo. Now this is a account head selection for trade creditor. Select an account head for trade creditor from this combo. This is also fixed account head selection. The account head selector here will be reflecting not vendor related transactions. This is for selecting account head for sales. In our system, some transactions can be done without selecting any accounts. Such transactions are reflected under account head selected here. For example, product invoice. All the sales related transactions will get reflected under this account heads of sales account head selected. And select an account head for purchase. This account head is selected for purchase related transactions. And select an account head for exchange difference here. The account selector here will be reflected in adjustment entry interface. And the adjustment entry combo, the account head selector here will be listed by default. select a retained earnings account from this combo, and this is asset depreciation expense account selection combo. Select an account from here. The account selector here will be listing in the combo of asset depreciation interface and asset depreciation combo of asset register interface. This is asset disposal selection combo. The account selector here will be listing in the account heads of asset disposal interface, and this is asset transfer selection account head selection combo. The account head selector here will be listing in the combo of asset transfer interface by default. In the same way, user needs to select the current asset group, current liability group, and current share capital group. Click on OK to save the settings interface.